Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of the Digibyte coin. As you can see here, Digibyte is one of the best cryptocurrencies, but unfortunately and the last one day the funding of the Digibyte starts now friends. So a lot of people confused that what should they do at this time, as it is time to buy, sell or hold Digibyte. So finally a lot of people a lot of message me that what should we do at this time friends. So finally I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscriber friends. So in this video I will show you what is the best decision for all of you at this time friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Now first of all we look the price of Digibyte at this time. As you can see here, the current price of Digibyte is about 0.115887 USD dollar is the current price of Digibyte in the cryptocurrency market. And as you can see here, the change, the last 1 hour change is a negative, last 1 day change is also a negative, and the last 1 week change is a positive, but very less positive, 2% only positive in the last 1 week friends. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the Digibyte of the last 1 day. What's the price change goes in the last 1 day friends. As I told you, as you can see, the last 1 day change is negative 2.36%, and the highest price of the Digibyte and the last 1 day period is about 0.1276662 USD dollar is the high price, and the period of last 1 day friends. And same like that, the current price at this time, the current price live in the market is about 0.115887 USD dollar is the current price of Digibyte friends. So absolutely it's a very less from high price friend. Now if you look at the graph of the chart of the Digibyte, as you can see here, they take a jump for a later time, after a jump as you can see take a jump, and after a jump again falls down, same like that, take a jump for a later time, again falls down, same like that, take a jump, and as you can see here a very bad crash occurs in the Digibyte and the last 60 minutes friends, as you can see here friends. So I think they break the support level at this time. As you can see here, let's suppose that is the support level of us, so they can easily break this support level, and when the support level breaks, that means a high dumping period of this cryptocurrencies starts now. So as you can see here, now the Digibyte also break the support level. That means that the Digibyte funding period of the Digibyte starts now again. So hope this fast continue for later time, and don't lose hope at this time friends. If you are holding of Digibyte, so my suggestion for all of you at this, that please hold your Digibyte at this time. It's a temporary fast, it's a 1 day, it's a 2 day, it's a 3 day fast occur in Digibyte. After a 1 week, after a 1 month, a lot of cryptocurrencies take a high explosion, and they will make people millionaire. So please hold it and be patient and hold for a big pump, a big jump of Digibyte. They will make you millionaire, there is no doubt, but you have to wait for it friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest, buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research friends. Hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel and like this video for my support.